Welcome to How to Internet. In this video I will explain you how to check if your iPhone is refurbished. To check if your iPhone is refurbished by Apple, you have to take a look at the model number of your iPhone. To see the model number, follow those steps. First, go to the Settings app. Then tap General and then tap Info at the top. Now you see the model number on your screen. If the model number starts with the letter M, it was purchased new from Apple, your carrier, or out of the store. If the model number starts with F, it was refurbished by Apple or a carrier. If the model number starts with P, it was sold as a personalized iPhone with an engraving. If the model number starts with N, Apple provided it as a replacement device for a repaired or broken iPhone. If you find out that your iPhone was refurbished, it is not necessarily cause for alarm. Apple puts its certified refurbished products through a rough process that makes them like new. They clean out each unit very good, replace any broken parts if necessary, and change the battery and the other cell. And that's how to check if your iPhone is refurbished. So thank you for watching this tutorial. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.